1 Minute English. In this 1 minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for stand up. Stand up means to rise to your feet. For example, David stood up and gave a presentation. Stand up also means not to meet someone in an arranged meeting. For example, Jack waited for his date, but she stood him up. Stand up also means to defy someone or something. For example, the protesters stood up against the police. Stand up for means to support or defend. For example, the protesters stood up for the refugees. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using stand up and leave it in the comments below.